So friends, today we will talk about the Realme GT6. It has 50 megapixel Sony LYT-808 sensor, OIS, 4K Dolby Vision video recording, 50 megapixel telephoto camera are confirmed. After confirming the AI features, SoC, battery and charging details, Realme today confirmed the camera specifications of the GT6 ahead of India and global launch of 20th June. The phone will use Sony LYT-808 50 megapixel sensor and OIS. This is a major improvement compared to the Sony LYT-600 sensor in the Realme GT6. The phone also supports 4K Dolby Vision video recording, and there is a 50 megapixel 2x telephoto lens with an equivalent focal length of 47mm for both portrait and landscape photography. The device supports Realme's exclusive Hypertone image engine, which processes images in the raw domain with AI, making the tonal retention more realistic and natural. And other camera features include texture, portrait, fast capture, night mode, star mode and street mode. The Realme GT6 features an industry's exclusive combination of the flagship Snapdragon 8S Generation 3 chipset and Sony LYT-808 sensor that offers unparalleled camera performance. This game-changing device not only delivers groundbreaking AI features but also stands an all-rounder AI-powered flagship killer. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.